All right, guys, so in this video, our buddy Tesla Raj, he came by and visited us with his wife's Model Y. And to our surprise, he actually came in just to get tires. And to our surprise, he actually had some issues with his bushings. So we're going to keep on drilling you guys on this time and time again. Inspect your bushings. Check it out. This is a different customer's car. This is like an extreme version of it. But you'll see in the video what happened to his at just 27,000 miles. Compliance bushings. Surprisingly, this one is what went bad on his wife's Y. We don't expect this bushing to go out before the lateral link. The compliance bushing on his, it in fact did, and that's what catalyzed us to upgrade all this stuff. So we don't go back to stock. There are occasions where Tesla will warranty the stuff, but why? You're just gonna have to go back in another 2 years, after another 20,000 miles, 25,000 miles. So what we do is we just upgrade them. So check out the video. You're gonna see exactly what we had to do and how we got him all set and ready to go for his vacation trips. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, guys, so check this out. Tesla Raj came in to get some new tires put on. So those are his factory Continentals. He's got 27,000 miles on this. Those are his new Hancooks. And can you believe this? I did not expect this. I always inspect these things. We always inspect these things and we warn people, but look at his compliance bushings. Completely torn. This is driven by his wife daily. She does not off-road it, nothing abnormal. And then check out the lateral link bushing. So we're going to turn this steering wheel. And you can see the slight tears right around the center of this bushing. See the darker pieces of rubber. So that's also ripping. We're going to pull these out. We're going to upgrade his bushings because it just doesn't make sense to go back to factory. Sometimes Tesla will cover this under warranty, but why? Why deal with this in another, 2 years? Just doesn't make sense to us when we can put something that's much better in it. It's going to improve its steering response, improve your tire wear, and be very, very good for all of your future long trips. All right, here's his mileage. Look at that. Only 27,846 miles on this Model Y. Bushings are already shot for just a normal vehicle. And here's the upgrade. So we replace this factory rubber bushing with this polyurethane one. We get rid of this rubber bushing and we put this Mountain Pass Performance bearing in there. It's a sealed spherical bearing. It's a German bearing. It's some great stuff. It's OEM bearing in a lot of higher end vehicles. But that's what we do. This dramatically improves the steering response as well as the wear on your tires moving forward because you don't have as much deflection and the tires don't tow out as much. So yeah, it's good stuff. Let's get them in there. All right, we got one of the compliance bushings pressed in. Now to the lateral link. All right, there you go. The lateral link bearing is in from Mountain Pass Performance. Best bearing in the business, high quality stuff. We have not busted one yet, and we have tracked the crap out of these things. So they are daily driver friendly, and they are also track ready. We're gonna get this thing in there, get this car on the road, align it, and he'll be all set. All right, so check it out. We've got the polyurethane compliance bushing in there. We got the MPP bearing in here in the lateral link. All the parts are in, everything's torqued, paint penned, good to go. We get the wheels on, tires on, as you can see right there, brand new Hankook Ion Evo all seasons. And start the alignment. There's Tesla Raj working hard. All right, let the magic begin. Let's get this baby aligned. All right, Raj is all done. This is what he's looking like right now. So we've got everything buttoned up. Ready to go. Vehicle's all done. This is how it is. Zev-centric. Teslas on Teslas. All right, there we go. Raj is wrapped. Model Y long range is all finished. Ready to go. And take his vacation for the holidays.